Hello and welcome to a video sponsored by Sonicgear. They've sent me one of their active noise cancelling earbuds called the Earpump Q5. So this thing has an IPX4 splash-proof resistance and also 34 hours of total battery life with the charging case included. So you got around 4.5 hours just with the earbuds with 50% volume. An extra 34 thanks to the charging case over here. It's got Type-C charging, it's got 13mm drivers, obviously it's got environmental active noise cancelling, it's got all the things that you need. 4 grams, very light, comfortable in your ears. If you want something with low latency, this thing is pretty decent. It's got 60 millisecond ultra low latency, and it's designed also perfectly to be your perfect sports companion. So yeah, let's get right into this. So the ear pump opens just like all your other Sonicgear earbuds. As you can see, it's got a pretty interesting design. It's got really short, the earbud stumps are pretty short. Yeah, looks pretty decent. So it opens up just as all the other earbuds does. It's got a nice build to it. It's got a matte finish. Obviously, it comes with a couple of earbud tips, extra one, Type A to Type C, instruction manual, the usual. So this is how they look like. Very obviously AirPods, like AirPods Pro actually. It's got a flat stump, as you can see over here. Very nice. It's got a shiny little logo. It kind of reminds me of a mixture of the Nothing earbuds design, not the transparent side to it, just the overall design, the look, added with the AirPods Pro. Very nice. I'm not gonna lie, I really like the design to this. It looks pretty cool. And this is the case. It's got an interesting design too. It's pebble-like, it's small, perfect to fit in your pocket, and it's got like a glossy finish on the tip. It's got a decently satisfying lid closing mechanism if you're into fidgeting, but it's an overall plastic design. It feels a bit light, so yeah. So I guess I'll put it in, and also the front is your battery indicator. As you can see, it just lit up. Very cool, very nice. Okay, I gotta admit, it reminds me of AirPods, and it's got touch capacitive buttons. Very nice. So 50% volume. It's decent. It's not bad. Let's try it with the active noise cancelling. So transparency mode is on right now. Not gonna lie, they have budget headphones have gotten pretty good at the transparency mode, I've noticed. It feels as if I'm not wearing anything. I can hear everything as it is, as if I'm not wearing earbuds. It's pretty good, the Q5s. Not bad. Let's try it with the noise cancelling. Okay, the active noise cancelling, it works. It's not as good as AirPods, obviously, but yeah, it works. It works just fine. I'd say the transparency mode is the thing that I'm impressed with this. Sound quality, how does it sound? Well, for 89 ringgit earbuds, it sounds pretty decent. Doesn't really it's not gonna blow your mind, but it's gonna work as advertised. It's gonna do the job. So you don't need to worry about it much. I mean, you're getting your money's worth, essentially, is what I'm trying to say. So if you're looking for a budget pair of earbuds, this is the way to go. They're very decent. They're not bad. They work just well. Yeah, perfect. Pretty decent earbud. For 89 ringgit, I do pretty much recommend it. But if you want something a little bit more bright, a little more better, well, I just reviewed the XP2. Those earbuds surprised me. Like, for the price of slightly more expensive, like I think 200 ringgit range. I could be wrong. Go check out that video. They sound really good. Active sound cancellation, very good. Transparency mode, very good. Even the sound quality, not bad. But if your budget is a bit too tight, well, this guy will do just fine. So yeah, do check this out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.